Welcome to my channel back. Wait. And this is what I ordered. That's all I did. I'm sorry I cannot show you the half video. I'm just gonna... Wait, I thought I saw something. I'm just gonna pause the video. Came back. The cups. Jeez, God. Jeez.
Naka-video ko pala?
Opo.
Saan yan?
Eh, di sa YouTube.
I-upload mo yan?
Opo, upload ko. Upload ko yung video ko pala. Mami, para makita nila agad, para makasubscribe sila. Kaya pinapublic ko lang.
Pinapublic mo pa?
Opo. Para marami akong subscriber. Ano, walang magsasubscribe sa akin. Wala akong play button.
Play button. Play button daw.
Yung button ng bunganga mo.
Alright.
Nagbe-video daw siya, i-upload niya yan, pinapublic niya daw para may subscriber.
Para mag-YouTuber ako.
Talk to them in English
Nagtutok nga ako ng English.
so that they understand what are you saying.
Sometimes may Tagalog. Sometimes may English. Wala to, mas maliit pa.
Talk to them, what's that? What's that?
Spatula.
Spatula.
Tama na natin.
Put them like this, like this na ko. Pag may small thing lang, ganito. Ayan.
Bakit?
Para makita nila kung ano pinapakita mo.
Guys. It's almost filled. It's matching color. But my clothes are gray. Or boots.
What's that?
A grill.
Stove.
Sometimes they call it grill. Oh my god, this girl has split.